issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shanahan, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Tinley Park, Chicago Heights, Lansing, New Lenox, Park Forest, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Shanahan, Minooka, Steger, Flossmere, Winwood, Glenwood, University Park, Olympia Fields, Peeltown, Wilmington, and Homewood, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 248, Interstate 57 between mile markers 325 and 343. This includes Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, Governors State University, Prairie State College, and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.